Alright, boys, so I heard you trying to learn about the cell cycle. Well, alright, my name is Connor, and I got you. This is the cell cycle for dummies. So, you start out with this cell, and it's just a normal cell. It's got two centrioles and a little bit of a chromatin in its nucleus. But then the cell goes into prophase. And then when the cell goes into prophase G1, aka growth 1 or gap 1, it is when it duplicates all of its enzymes and cytoplasmic structures so that way it can put them into the new cell. And then it goes into S, or synthesis, which is where all of the chromatin duplicates inside of the nucleus. And then it goes into G2, where the spindle fibers begin to form, and it creates enzymes that it needs for reproduction. And then you enter mitosis, where the nuclear envelope disappears and all of the chromatin condenses into chromosomes. And also the spindle fibers start to reach out and they connect to the centrioles. And then you go into metaphase, and that's when all of the spindle fibers hook up to the chromosomes, and then they all line up in the center, so it's nice and neat and organized. So, and then the centrioles go to opposite poles of the cell, so it sort of is like a plus sign. And then it goes into anaphase, which is where the cell begins to stretch out, and the spindle fibers hook onto the sister chromatids and pull them apart, which you can see here. And the spindle fibers are beginning to retract into the centrioles. And then you got this peanut-looking thing. And then this is the telophase, or telophase, where the nuclear envelope begins to reform, and the spindle fibers shrink more, and the sister chromatids are stuck inside the nucleus. Then finally you enter cytokinesis, which is when the cytoplasm gets pinched off, and it creates two separate cells, each a duplicate of the beginning cell. And that's basically how cell reproduction works. So go get an A in biology and get a job, you freaking bum.